Hello class, today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Antes de empezar con la clase, quiero que hagamos un repaso del alfabeto y del vocabulario que hemos visto. So, everybody repeat the alphabet aloud. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Remember, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Remember, you have to show your teeth. V, W, X, Y, and Z. Z, like a bee, como una abeja. Z. Okay, now let's go to the vocabulary words. So first, we're going to practice the types of hair. So repeat after me. Long, short, blonde, brown, curly, straight. Now we're going to practice the shapes, okay? So the first one is square. It's not a square. Square, okay? Circle, triangle, rectangle, diamond, and finally, remember, when you see the letter T and the letter H, the sound is, for example, here, 3 bath teeth. Okay? Well done. Now let's go to the worksheet. So, we're going to practice the use of she's got and he's got in affirmative and in negative. So, first you have to watch this video and it's the same explanation as here, okay? The video is this, so when you finish watching the video, you are going to do this exercise. You are going to describe your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, a friend, okay? For example, I'm going to describe my mom. So, she's Nancy. My mom's name is Nancy. And she's got black hair and she's got curly hair. She hasn't got blonde hair and she hasn't got short hair. So you are going to do the same, but with all your family members, okay? When you finish, you are going to open your class book. Remember here, page 79. And here on the top, remember to write the short date. Okay? First, you're going to play the audio. It's 110. And you are going to listen to the correct description. And you are going to write the correct the correct number to the correct person. Okay? Then here, you are going to describe here the people. For example, number 1 is this girl. So, she's got blonde hair and she's got long hair. Who is it? And you are going to say, oh, it's number 1 or it's number 5, okay? So, when you finish, you are going to go to exercise number 3 And you are going to match the short form to the long form. For example, number 1, she's got brown eyes. The long form of number 1 is she has got brown eyes. And then you're going to continue. Now, when you finish, close your class book and open your workbook, again in page 79. And here on the top, write the short date. In these sentences, you're going to change the long form to the short form. Vas a pasar estas mismas oraciones, pero están escritas en la forma larga. Tú las tienes que escribir en su forma corta. Now here, think about your best friend, okay? And you are going to circle his or her type of hair and his or her eyes color. Here you are going to So we were in this exercise, okay? In exercise number 3, you are going to illustrate here your best friend. And then you're going to write here the description of your best friend. For example, my best friend is Mariel. And I'm going to describe her here. She's got brown eyes. She's got long hair. She's got straight hair. She's got brown hair. But she hasn't got green eyes. She hasn't got curly hair. And she hasn't got short hair. And at the end, you are going to sing the goodbye song, okay? Bye class, see you tomorrow, have a nice day.